This question is asking to deduce the empirical formula of an unknown organic compound from the combustion analysis. This question type is also general and have a standard procedure. Students should know that the combustion meaning that burning fuel in the air and give out heat, so it is an exothermic process. The combustion is not only for organic compounds but also for carbon and hydrogen. Combustions of carbon to give carbon dioxide CO2 and combustions of hydrogen give H2O water. In general, combustions can be classified into two types: complete combustions and incomplete combustions. Complete combustions means the burning requires excess oxygen to complete react the fuel to give CO2 and also H2O. On the other hand, incomplete combustions occurs when insufficient supply of oxygen. So in these reactions, carbon monoxide and carbon will be the side product. So let's look at these questions. An unknown compound manifold contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. A complete combustion of manifold produces carbon dioxide and water. To solve these questions, we have to find the mass of each element in this organic compound and then compare their mole ratios to get the empirical formula. So in step 1, we can find the mass of carbon and hydrogen from the carbon dioxide and water. As the mass of carbon dioxide is given, we can find the mole of carbon dioxide, then multiply the molar mass of carbon to get the mass of carbon. And we do the same to finding the mass of hydrogen from water. In step 2, we can find the mass of oxygen in manifold by subtracting the total mass of manifold by mass of carbon and hydrogen. And in step 3, we can construct a table that contains mass, mole, and mole ratios of each element. In step 4, find mole of each element. And lastly, as the mole of oxygen is the smallest among 3 elements, we can divide the mole number of each element by 0.00104 to obtain the mole ratios. After that, we can figure out the empirical formula is C10H20O.